Hello, thanks for looking into my thanks for your time to watch my video. This video explains providing a complete application stack to host any application or like a web application, including one-click auto deployments. It's like a complete automation. In next slide you will see the AWS console with a default VPC. Yeah, as I said in the notes, like it's saying, like right now you will see only default VPC on the screenshot. Once we run like my complete Ansible playbook roles and all those things, you will see a new VPC on my AWS account. I'm gonna run like Ansible playbooks with multiple roles. This role is basically they have like multiple roles to support my VPC stack creation. This is what like output of my first playbook, which is basically this create the VPC, including the subnet, security groups, etc. This is like a result of playbook for the host, like the VPC stack creation, like a VPC creation under I included to create one app server and web server along with the VPC. After completion of VPC, the playbooks, the VPC, dev1 VPC, so you will see that dev1 VPC is created. Under that you will see a couple of subnets. One is for web and other is for app. In next slide you will be seeing a couple of security groups created to support. One is for web and other is for application instances. You will see the like anything like started with the dev1 SG is like a is that a security group for inbound, outbound, or as such, like to support the network connectivity in and out. As part of this stack creation, we created ELB also to support web server hosting. These are the web server ELB. This is supporting on both port 18. It's configured on port 80, 443 and 88 here. As I said earlier, we spun two EC2 instances as part of the VPC creation. One is for web application. You can host any Drupal application or like any PHP application. And also on one application is basically the app server, which I'm using to install Tomcat or support Java J2E applications. Once, like as I said in the notes, like once the stacks are up and running, we are running like post configuration Ansible road to like configure Apache web server and a Tomcat app server to support Java J2E applications. Hello, thanks for looking into my thanks for your time to watch my video. This video explains providing a complete application stack to I'm gonna run like Ansible playbooks with multiple roles. This role is basically they have like multiple roles to support my VPC stack creation. these are the final results of the both the web and the app servers configuration using playbooks. So it's completed successfully. Now I used the CloudFormation templates for to create configure Jenkins and Artifactory servers. I named it as a builder tool, which is giving both the output of the Artifactory and Jenkins. Just showing like what are the roles and the playbooks I ran for the to configure. After successful run of our playbooks, Jenkins is ready with a Groovy job template to create multiple jobs. This is completely like automated. I automate this as part of the Jenkins installation. It creates even like it configures some Maven pods, Java pods. It creates a user. It creates the job initial job for like is a generic job, a Groovy job to create any multiple jobs for any environment you written in the Groovy script. And also it creates user like the default user or like the first Jenkins user to log in to the system after your configuration is Jenkins configuration is completed. And that Groovy script, the template, and it's gonna create two jobs. I just created two jobs, like I just purposefully made one is for tech dev job and a test job, or I can both create in one project folder. The one is for to support Tomcat deploy, and other one is to support LAMP or Drush deploy or Drupal deploy, or you can use it for anything. In this slide, basically I'm executing the Jenkins job to deploy my Java web application to the Tomcat server. So this is what I'm doing, like I'm performing Maven job. After successful of this job, this job output it showed it's a build is successfully done, and it's copied, it's deployed the web application to the Tomcat app server. Now you can access this web application or the Java application directly from the web server URL which I configured using mod proxy and all the Apache configurations. See, like when you check, like that's my web server URL and access the web application. Hello, thanks for looking into my thanks for your time to watch my video. This video explains providing a complete application stack to host any application or like a web application, including one-click auto deployments. It's basically like a complete automation. In next slide, you will see the AWS console with the default VPC. As I said in the notes, like it's saying like right now you will see only default VPC on the screenshot. Once we run like my complete Ansible playbook roles and all those things, you will see a new VPC on my AWS account. In next slide, you will be seeing another couple of security groups created to support. One is for web and other is for application instances. You will see the like anything like started with the dev one SG is like a is that a security group for inbound, outbound, or SSH, like to support the network connectivity in and out.